Hello, my name is Janet Machuka. I'm the founder of ATC Digital Academy. I have been working for over 7 years helping businesses transform their digital marketing through consulting and training for various digital marketing platforms. I'm excited to welcome you to this module focused on social media marketing. Before we begin with the definition of social media marketing, I want you to look at it from 4 angles. 1. Social. Interactions with other people. Number 2, media, the channel used to interact with other people. It can be online or offline, also sometimes referred to as digital and traditional channels. Number 3 is social media. In simple terms, this is the use of online social networking platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and so on, where users meet, share information about what's going on in their minds or what's happening, message and create experiences with each other. Number 4 is marketing. Promoting your brand, your products or services with the intention of letting more people know about them, respectively. Having understood this, social media marketing is a form of marketing where you reach out to your target audience and interact with them through social media channels. The intention is to make your target audience aware of your existence and your products or services, engage them, and help them make buying decisions. All right. So you have defined social media marketing, but what are some of these fundamental factors to begin with regarding this channel? 1. Think content first. Content is very important. Content is what you share and what people are going to interact with you, whether organically or through paid ads on social media. Organic content. This is content you create and share without having to pay or sponsor it to reach many people. In most cases, it doesn't involve the use of money to push the content to new audiences. Paid social. In order for our content to reach more people, we may need to push it to the target audience. This involves spending money on social media marketing platforms or influencers to help create more interactions around the brand. And finally, the right engagement. At the end of the day, the interaction should be with the right target audience and market. When it comes to selecting a social media channel for marketing activities, this will highly depend on the type of audience a brand wants to reach, the marketing goal, budget, their content type, company niche, the available resources, among other things. So let's take a look at why you might consider using the following channels for specific marketing goals. Let's start with Facebook. This is the place to go if you are looking into engaging with your customer through comments, reviews, and direct messaging. With such engagements, you can build relationships with your customers and provide timely support. Target a specific audience. For your business to reach an ideal audience effectively, Facebook ads can allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and locations. Use content marketing in order to attract audiences to your brand on Facebook, in which you can share your blog posts, videos, and other types of content with your followers. Doing this establishes your brand and thought leadership in your industry. You can also promote your products and services through sponsored posts or on your own pages. Doing this can drive sales and increase brand awareness for your business. Lastly, Facebook is an excellent platform to generate leads through forms, call to action, and lead ads. This is a great way to build your business's email lists and leads for the sales team. All right, now let's look at Instagram. This is a great marketing platform to consider for increasing brand awareness. Instagram is a great platform to create high-quality visual content in videos, such as reels and static posts that align with your brand's identity to showcase your products or services. Did you know that our brains processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text? Instagram is a visual platform and you can use it to increase your engagement that can lead to increased visibility and your brand awareness. You can also drive website traffic. This is possible by including a link in your brand's bio or Instagram stories. Instagram offers a great opportunity to target specific audiences and drive conversions through paid advertising. If you want to position your brand as a trusted expert in your field, then this is the right channel to do so. By sharing educational content and industry insights in infographics, you can establish your brand's thought leadership. Remember, Facebook and Instagram are meta brands. That means some of the marketing goals can be replicated on either platform. I know what you are thinking. How about TikTok? TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform ever. Most people use it for entertainment, but we can't ignore the brands who are using it to grow their businesses. With over 1 billion active users, TikTok is an excellent platform to reach a wide and diverse audience through engaging and shareable content that can increase your brand awareness. According to a study by Nielsen, TikTok's user base values authenticity, and businesses that are authentic and relatable build brand loyalty and community of loyal brand advocates. If you have tried out TikTok, you will agree with me when I say the algorithm favors engaging content, which means that businesses can boost engagement on the platform by creating content that resonates with the users. You can do this by participating in challenges, using popular music and trends, and collaborating with influencers. Another marketing goal you can achieve on TikTok is showcasing your brand personality and humanizing your brand. We all know that TikTok has not been here for long, but businesses can use it as an opportunity to get ahead of the competition and establish themselves as thought leaders in the industry. Now, let's delve into the world of Twitter marketing. Twitter is a platform for building your brand reputation and for your customer service. Let's go over all the marketing goals you need to prioritize in order for your company to succeed on Twitter. Brand awareness. By regularly tweeting about your products, services, or industry news, your brand can get in front of your potential customers who may not have been aware of your business before. Customer engagement. Twitter is an excellent platform for interacting with your customers and showing them that your brand cares about them and values their feedback. Twitter has advanced search and advertising features to target potential customers, which can help your business to generate leads and make more sales. Thought leadership. Twitter is a powerful platform for establishing yourself, your business, as a thought leader in your industry. Make good use of the question Twitter asks you, what's happening? And share industry insights and information to position yourself as an industry expert. Reputation management. Twitter can also be used to monitor and manage your brand reputation through the mentions of your brand. Moving on to LinkedIn, the world's largest professional networking platform with over 900 million users in more than 200 countries. Brands can use LinkedIn to build brand awareness. A business can create a company page to publish content that will help in increasing visibility among professionals in their target audience. LinkedIn is great for recruiting top talent. Since LinkedIn is known as a platform for professionals, you can use it to establish your thought leadership and business-to-business relationships. Another great marketing goal you can achieve with LinkedIn is business-to-business lead generation. To achieve this, build a strong professional community and use the platform's advertising features. LinkedIn can also be beneficial for networking and building relationships. Join LinkedIn groups, participate in discussions, and reach out to connections to expand your network and make meaningful connections. LinkedIn communities such as groups can help businesses identify opportunities for partnerships and collaborations that can help drive growth and success. Sales prospecting is also possible with LinkedIn. It can be used to identify and connect with potential customers. By using LinkedIn's advanced search capabilities and Sales Navigator, businesses can find and engage with prospects in their target audience. Lastly, LinkedIn is also great for content marketing. By sharing valuable information about your products and services that can help your audiences make decisions and keep your business top of mind when it comes to buying what they sell. The final channel I would like to discuss for these specific marketing goals is YouTube. All of us have used YouTube. either to search for entertainment or informational videos. YouTube is the video platform to go if the business is looking for building brand awareness. This is possible by creating videos that showcase your brand's products, services, or company values. Do product demos, explainer videos, or brand storytelling videos that resonate with your target audience and help establish your brand's unique voice. Thought leadership. Create educational content or informative videos that demonstrate your expertise and provide value to your audience. This can include how-to videos, product testimonials, or interviews with industry experts. YouTube is great for customer engagement. This is possible if you create videos that answer common questions about your products, respond to feedback, or provide customer support. This is also the best way to build customer loyalty and foster a sense of community around your brand. Have you ever clicked a video to watch on YouTube through Google search? I have many times, by the way. Creating well-optimized YouTube videos can encourage audience growth. Let's take a recap. We have begun by defining social media marketing, looked at the social media landscape with current user stats, and also discussed some of the most relevant marketing goals specific to social media platforms. But we are just getting started. With social media marketing, it's important to understand exactly how content on social media is prioritized. And that's what we are going to discuss in the next video.